So 2017 Ilx, how y'all doing today? 2017 Ilx, no start. I had a problem with it. Check the battery, everything is good. Everything looks good. I didn't, from the way it sounded, I didn't think it's a starter. So I checked everything, and as you see, here's a key. Trying to start it, it's not starting at all. Foot on the brake. It's not starting. Checked everything. The OBD told me there is a charging issue. The dashboard shows a charging problem. So check your charging connection, whatever it is. For some reason, it's not it. I said, you know what, just go back to the basic and check every fuse, and I did. So don't belittle anything, everybody. So for example, this is the stop and horn fuse, right? And so it was burnt, as you see here. Probably can pick it on the camera. So customer stated that the alarm was going off for the last couple of days for no reason, and I think that's what kind of hinted towards the horn fuse, and I think that what burned the fuse is that the alarm was going off for the last couple of nights, so I made sure to check the fuse for that, because also the horn was not working, so keep that in mind. Good fuse, not the bad one. I'm gonna put a good fuse, as you see, in the fuse thingy. Now when I hit the brake, you can see the reflection on my minivan. Let's see. Yeah, before there was no connection. So now when I get in there, so don't belittle everything, everyone. Do not belittle any little problem. This is the horn. Nope. See? Boom, started. Well, everyone, if you need anything else, please hit me up and subscribe and like. I appreciate y'all for your time, and send me some nuggets too. I like them nuggets. Thank you.